It's time for us to go down to sleep, Eva. What were you just saying?
Bye. Sweet dreams, sweetie. Sweet dreams. Bye, Eva. Bye, Bibs.
Bye, Bibs.
Bye. 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 Bye, on. Bye, on. Bye. 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 Bye, Blanket. Bye, Julia.
Bye, stroller.
Get a different book for bringing downstairs to read.
Mr. Fox. Mr. Fox.
Which book are you going to bring downstairs?
I'm not going to bring that down. I'm going to open that.
Okay, you can stay up here for 1 more minute, and then we're going downstairs for bedtime. It's today, May 27, 2008. You'll soon be 2 and 5 months old.
Let's go out.
All right, Eva. Let's go downstairs. Come on, it's bedtime. That's good. That's a good book, yeah.
Oh, that's a good one.
Let's go. Personal Penguin.
He likes blue water.
Good night.
Bye. Bye. You can come with me.
I'll come down a little bit later.
No.
Daddy will come down with you.
Yeah, let's go down. We'll read. We'll read
Can I have
together.
a hug? Hug nose?
Okay, your nose. Hug your nose.
Mm.
Hug your nose.
I'll hug my nose too.
I'm gonna hug a tissue.
A tissuk.
I'm crying.
You making up words?
I'm telling her to that
I
isn't
cry.
good.